Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Pose and Pause with Miss Ellen. Today, we are going to learn another basic yoga pose that is so fun and so easy. And just like all things in yoga, the poses are based on something that you can find out in nature. So whether it's alive or an object, we name the yoga poses after something that we can act like. So today, we are going to act like a dog. Can everybody bark like a dog for me? Good job. Now we're going to act like a dog too. But first, I want you to take one big breath in through your nose like you're smelling a flower. And out through your mouth like you're blowing out a candle. Great job. Okay, so to do downward dog, what you're going to do is you're going to come on your hands and knees. And actually, this is called tabletop because you kind of are acting like a table. But you're going to make sure your fingers are spread apart like a starfish. And then you're going to take your toes and you're going to hide them underneath your feet like this. And then you're going to push your feet up in the air and look down at your toes. And you're going to wag your doggy tail. And you can move your knees back and forth like this. And that's called walking the dog. So you get all your ticks and cricks out walking your dog. And you might feel a nice little pull in the back of your legs. And that just means you're getting stronger and you're stretching. And then make your dog still and look down at your knees. And you're going to take 3 doggy barks. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Now you're going to bring your knees back down. You're going to look up and say, I did so good today. And you're going to come back down around and sit down. And we always end our yoga with our hands to our heart. And we bow our heads and we say, Namaste. Can you say Namaste? Excellent. So now you know how to do downward facing dog like a real yogi. And I can't wait for you to come back to learn our next pose. And if you liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. And that way you'll be the first to know when a brand new video comes out. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.